I'm Dr. Parsa Mohibi with US Hair Restoration. I'll be discussing how to prevent hair loss. Hair loss in male or female pattern type of it could be detected early on and could be prevented today with medications that we have. If you want to consider the main causes of hair loss, those are sex, like being a man in male pattern baldness, having the gene of hair loss, and the time, the triangle of hair loss. There are other factors which are accelerating the process of balding, like stressors, trauma, emotional anxiety, or environmental changes. Those are not the main causes, but they may accelerate the process of your hair loss. So if you have the gene, you're supposed to lose your hair, they may present your baldness at an earlier stage. But if you have male pattern or female pattern hair loss, you need to be diagnosed early on. You have to see a dermatologist or hair restoration surgeon and find out what kind of pattern of hair loss you have. When you know the pattern, you know how to treat it. We have good medications. Rogaine is a topical product. The other name is minoxidil that you can apply it on the scalp and could be used for most women and for some men. The other medication is Propecia, which is mostly used for men. The other name is finasteride. That's a pill. You take 1 tablet a day, and that will prevent your hair loss significantly. This is Dr. Parsa Mohibi with US Hair Restoration, and that was how to prevent hair loss.